I'm very concerned about the actions, though, of using the lasers on an Australian surveillance aircraft. That is, I can see it no other way than an act of intimidation, one that is unprovoked, unwarranted, and Australia will never accept such acts of intimidation. They are in our exclusive economic zone. Did not occur in Australian waters. It was a dangerous act. These sorts of things can disable such aircraft and put those on that aircraft at great risk. So I thought it was a reckless and irresponsible act, and it should not occur.
经向中方的有关部门了解核实，澳方发布的消息不属实。中方舰船在公海海域正常航行，符合相关国际法和国际实践，完全正当合法。我们敦促澳方尊重中方舰船依据国际法在相关海域享有的合法权利，停止恶意散布、涉华虚假信息。